Hi, kindergarten. Ready to finish your Where's Waldo project? Let's do it. First, there's a couple things we need to remember about scissors. Well, scissors are a tool. This is something that we use to cut, just like a saw that we would cut with. This is a tool, and it can hurt us too. So we need to be very careful when we're using scissors. First of all, we need to make sure that we're sitting down while we're cutting. And I'm not even cutting anything, so I'm going to leave it right here. Not going to touch it at all. Remember, only cut when your teacher asks you to cut, and only cut what your teacher tells you to cut. So what that means is you're not cutting anything else except for what the teacher says you're supposed to cut. Like usually it's paper. So here's how to put your, watch this, here's how to put your scissors on. So notice the small hole? That's for my thumb. So I put my thumb in there, and then all the rest of my fingers, well, not all of them, a couple of your fingers will go through the rest. And then you're going to cut with little alligator snips. Be very careful that you're cutting under your chin, somewhere under your chin. Why? Because if I had my scissors and I was just cutting up here anywhere, someone could be walking behind me and they could get hurt. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that my scissors are just used under my chin. All right, scissors are going to be great because now I can cut my Where's Waldo person. Let me put this down for a second. You see this big dark line? I know I use dark lines for the outline of the person, but you're going to be cutting on the dark line that you have on your Where's Waldo, on your drawing. I'm going to start right down here. See that dot? I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to just make a big circle. Watch this. I'm going to go slow, and taking little alligator cuts. Nice and slow. I'm not worried about how fast I'm going. It's not a race. I want to follow on the line. Oh, here we go. You notice what happened? Look at my picture. What's happened to it? Oh, it's upside down, isn't it? That's because I'm moving the paper. I'm not trying to move my scissors around. I'm moving them, but look, when I cut, this is all that moves, just my hand. Okay? So, I'm going to keep cutting and move my paper instead of moving my scissors much. My scissors kind of stay in one place under my chin. Awesome. Almost there, almost there. Boom, did it. And if you guys did it right, well, you gotta sit your scissors down because you're done with those. If you did it right, you'll have two pieces. You got the piece you want to keep, and then this piece. Where do you think this goes? Yeah, the trash. But look, I cut off my name. So I need to rewrite my name. You could write it on the front, but you can also write on the back. I had a drawing back here, and I don't care about this side, so I'm gonna get a pencil. You might have to get a pencil from up front here. Write my name. Take my time, make sure it looks good. Got it. All right. I wrote my name. Of course, my name is Mrs. Clark, so I'm done. What you're going to do now is raise your hand and give this to the teacher, okay? You do not get up. Wait for the teacher to come to you. The teacher will take your scissors, okay? They should also be giving you a pencil to write your name. Then when you're done, you can sit back and relax and look at what other kids are doing. You can also probably get up and throw your trash away. That's okay too. All right, then you guys are going to read this book called Have Fun, Molly Lou Melon. You'll like it. Get excited.